children.
Hello, dear children. Today we will talk about the Internet, which is a vast network of computers around the world that allows us to communicate, learn, and have fun. The Internet is an amazing tool, but we need to know how to use it safely and wisely. I will share what our little animals think about it and how they understand this topic. At the playground, Frog and Ladybug were having an animated conversation. Frog asked if the Internet is a place where you can find everything you want. Ladybug said it is like an endless library, but they were not sure. I explained to them that the Internet is a huge network of computers where people store and share information, but it is important to use it responsibly and know which information is true. By a big tree, Guinea Pig and Sparrow were sharing their experiences with the Internet. Guinea Pig mentioned how she found a recipe for a new salad online, but it turned out that you have to be careful with suspicious websites. Sparrow agreed, adding that it is better to use trusted sources. I explained to them how important it is to check websites and not to click on everything that appears on the screen. By the pond, Bee and Parakeet were sitting by the computer. I asked them why passwords are so important on the Internet. Bee said that a password is like a key to a computer, just like a key to a house. And Parakeet added that we need to protect it from strangers so that no one can break into the computer. They were both right. So I praised them and reminded them that passwords should be hard to guess and we should not write them down anywhere. The Internet is a great adventure, but like any adventure, it requires knowledge and caution. It is important to use it safely, pay attention to what we click on, and protect our data. I wish you a great time learning and having fun online. See you soon.